Do you want to know what is made with AI in Instagram? You will know what exactly mean label is made with AI in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you what is made with AI in Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Made with AI on Instagram is the content that has been created using AI tools. This includes any photos, videos, or other media. AI tools can include applications like AI-based image generators, video editors, or any other technology that uses machine learning algorithms to create or modify content. What is the label is made with AI on Instagram? The label is made with AI on Instagram is a feature that allows you to tag your content with a label indicating that the content was created using AI. This label provides transparency to viewers, informing them that the media they are viewing involves the use of AI technology. By labeling AI-generated content, creators can build trust and credibility with their audience. By using the label is made with AI on Instagram, you can ensure that your audience is aware of the AI-generated nature of your content,